Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss topic 20, that is biological properties of soil. The soil mainly comprises of two major contents which enhances it or which affects its biological property. The first of all is organic matter. Organic matter, that is humus. Organic matter can be living as well as non-living. Living and non-living matter, they have some biomass. Living matter have some biomass and they help in nutrient recycling. So this was about organic matter. Now moving on to the second component, that is soil microorganism or soil animals. Soil microorganisms or soil animals. Example, we have got like bacteria, earthworm. So what are the beneficial activities of this soil microorganism or animal? Beneficial activities of soil microorganisms. Benefits of soil microorganism. First of all, we have got decomposition of organic residue. Decomposition of organic residue, that is also mineralization. We all know that microorganisms help to decompose the residues of soil. For example, the microorganism which decompose are bacillus, pseudomonas, etc. Pseudomonas. Now we have got microbial denitrification. Denitrification, they help to convert nitrogen, that is by, it can be done by pseudomonas. We have got nitrogen fixation, that is they also fix nitrogen. Example, we have got here isobium. Keep examples in your mind, it will help. Examples always enhance your answers. We have got some inorganic transformations. So for number one, we have got sulfur oxidizing microorganism. Sulfur oxidizing microorganism. They are thiobacillus. For example, we have got thiobacillus. What it does? It oxidizes sulfur. We have got phosphorus. Some microorganisms also simplify phosphorus. Simplified phosphorus. Example, bacillus simplifies phosphorus. So these are some of the benefits of soil microorganism, what they do in the soil. Now moving on to important factors which decide biological behavior of soil. What are the important factors which decide biological behavior of soil? Important factors which decide biological behavior of soil. First of all, we have got respiration rate. What is the rate of respiration in the soil? We have got potential, nitrogen by carbon mineralization. What is the amount of mineralization or the amount of mineral being created in the soils? Earthworms. The presence of earthworms affect the biological behavior of soil in very high amount. Earthworms are very good for our soil, but bacterial biomass, and an adequate amount of bacterial biomass is good for soil. We have got bacterial diversity. How many types of bacteria we have? Different types of bacteria have different functions. So diversity, soil with good bacterial diversity are always good in biological behavior. Presence of pathogens. So these are the major factors which affect biological behavior of soil. However, I don't think this has been asked in previous year, but as a content, so that you should know this, it is important. However, not asked, and there are little chances that UPSC will ask it, but you should know it. Now moving on to soil animals. Soil animals had been asked in previous year, so that is important. You should know it. Soil animals. Next topic. Soil animals. So we have got soil animals are an extremely diverse group of organisms. In soil we have got diverse group of organisms. Diverse group of organisms in soil. They are grouped in mainly three groups. They are grouped into three groups. First off, on the basis of their size, three groups on basis of size. First of all, we have got microfauna. They are the smallest. Their size range from 20 to 200 micrometer. They are the main soil animals of this group are protozoa. The main soil animals of this group are protozoa. Second group we have got mesofauna. Their size ranges from 200 micrometer to 10 millimeter. Important animals of this group are mites, nematodes, etc. And then we have got macroflora, MA. It is big. Macrofauna, not flora, sorry. These are the largest size of soil animals, such as earthworms. They have the largest size earthworms. We've got beetles, we've got termites, etc. Generally, most of the soil animals are protozoa, nematodes, and mites. Protozoa, nematodes, and mites. These are the majority of soil organisms. When you count the number, although they are microscopic, but they are the majority of soil microorganisms are of these two groups, and these groups also have soil microorganisms which are helpful, but earthworm is the most common, better than mite. So this was all about the kinds of soil animals, types of soil animals. Now we should know what are the importance of soil animals. Importance of soil animals. We all know that they perform several functions in soil and make them vital part of all ecosystems, including agriculture. Several functions they perform. So they are a vital part of ecosystem, all ecosystems. They help us in decomposing organic matter and mineralizing nutrients. They help us in controlling pollution. Many soil organisms, when they are in the soil, they fix pollutants. That's why they're good at controlling pollution. They improve and maintain soil structure. They help in mixing organic matter through soil. So these are some of the common functions I have discussed for 5 here, and you can add as per you how many functions you can add of soil animals. So these were the broad functions which I have discussed here. So you can add as per you. That is what note making is. You should be highly diversified in your making when you are making notes. So try to add more and more points. Although this course is giving you the topics which you want to learn, which points are important, but you can add per as your own. Now moving to another topic, that is soil organic matter. Soil organic matter. So what this constitutes? Soil organic matter constitutes plants and animal detritus, at various stages of decomposition. It also comprises of cell and tissues of soil microbes, substances that soil microbes have synthesized, etc. These are the major components of soil organic matter. It acts as a very important point. It acts as a major sink and source of soil carbon. Major sink and source of soil carbon. So organic matter is the major sink and source of it. And the concentration of soil organic matter in soils generally ranges from 1% to 6%. It ranges from 1% to 6%. Its concentration in various soils. It is less than 1% in deserts, whereas sometimes 12 to 18% in organic soils. PT soils, very high percentage of soil organic matter. And also I am giving a brief description here what soil organic matter comprises. Living biomass of microbes, fresh and partially decomposed detritus, and third is humus. So these are the components of soil organic matter. So hope you all understand this. This is all about soil organic matter. You can write this in your own words. I have given all the content here. Now what are the benefits of soil organic matter? Benefits of organic matter in soil. Benefits of organic matter in soil. It improves physical condition of soil, particularly structure. Improves physical condition, particularly structure, soil structure. Decaying organic matter acts as food material for bacteria, fungi, and other organisms. It acts as food material, decaying organic matter. Food material for bacteria, fungi, and other organisms. Presence of organic matter dissolves many insoluble soil minerals and make them available. They dissolve many insoluble soil nutrients, and make them available to plants. Many nutrients are not in available form, they are not in form so that they can be absorbed by plants. So what the organic matter helps them to make available so that plant can absorb it. Organic matter increases water holding capacity in soil, increases it plays important role in nutrient supplying power of soil, as it has got high cation exchange capacity. Nutrient supplying, important role in nutrient supplying power of soil, as it has got high cation exchange capacity. So what it does, the soils with high cation exchange capacity helps plant to absorb more nutrients. So the soil with good organic matter, high in organic matter, help them to have more nutrient supplying power. They can supply more nutrient to plants. It improves aeration and penetration in heavy soil, improves aeration and it reduces erosion, soil erosion. It regulates soil temperature. We can add more points also. Suppose in 9 we can write, it serves as an important source of certain plant to food elements. It is important source of nitrogen, potassium, sulfur, etc. Organic matter are important source of these food items of plants. The buffering capacity, soil, it has a buffering nature, enhances buffering nature of soil. Hope it is visible. Yes. So what buffering nature does, it helps in residue management of pesticides, herbicides, and other heavy metals. I am writing it here. It helps in residue management of pesticides, herbicides, and other heavy metals. So soils with good organic matter content have good buffering nature or good buffering capacity. I think I have discussed buffering capacity earlier, but you should know it here also. So these were some of the benefits of organic matter. Now moving on to the factors affecting soil organic matter content. Factors affecting soil organic matter content. Factors affecting soil organic matter content. So the next we have got first we will discuss natural factors, then we will move on to human factors. Natural factors. First up we have got temperature. As temperature, a certain amount of temperature is good for decomposition, so it influences decomposition much. hence we should have a certain amount of temperature. Soil moisture and soil water saturation. So what soil moisture does? A soil with good, a healthy content of soil moisture are high in organic matter. And what soil water saturation do? The soils with it can decrease organic matter due to poor aeration. Decrease organic matter. Hence, we should have the a healthy amount of soil water saturation. Healthy soil water saturation should be there. If it will be not there, it will decrease the organic matter due to poor aeration. Soil texture. As organic matter increase, as clay content increases. A soil with good texture has good amount of organic matter. Topography. Example, organic matter accumulation is often favored at bottom of hills. Topography. Organic matter are often accumulated at bottom of hills. So what kind of topography is it? Is also important. Now moving on, salinity and acidity. Acidic and saline soil have low content of organic matter. They reduce organic matter. Vegetation and biomass production. We all know that soil organic matter largely depends on it. Without vegetation and biomass production, we can't have a good amount of organic matter. Organic matter will never produced. So these are natural factors. Now moving on to human factors. First of all, tillage, fertilizer, pesticide, overgrazing. If these are done unsustainably, they will reduce organic matter. Cover crops, balanced fertilization, improved vegetation in improved vegetation stands, LA cropping, agroforestry. These things all increase organic matter. So organic matter largely depends on how we as humans use our soils. Now, how can we increase or maintain soil organic matter? Ways to maintain. Soil organic matter. First of all, we should grow perennial pastures. Growing perennial pastures, as they are source of leaf matter and dead roots. Its leaf and dead roots both increase organic matter. Growing cereal crops, as their dead roots, here also we have got the same dead roots, increase organic matter in cereal crops also, because when we harvest cereal crops, the roots and the lower part of the crop is often left in the field. We should grow green manure crops, green manuring, growing cover crops. They provide protective cover, and after they are plowing into soil, they increase organic matter. But first of all, they cover the crops, reduce erosion, and after they are plowed into soil. So when they are plowed into soil, they mix with the soil, and after decomposition, they increase organic matter. We should spread manure all over the field. Spread manure all over field. Use of organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers. Proper and integrated nutrient management. Integrated nutrient management. Minimum tillage and decreased disturbance of soil. Minimum tillage and disturb soil as much as low we can disturb it. Decrease disturbance of soil. And most important, you can at point right. Proper cropping system in agriculture practice. Agri practices. We should do rotation of crops. We should use proper crops that do not deplenish our nutrients very fastly. So these are some of the ways to maintain soil organic matter. So we have finished biological properties, major biological properties, and the questions which were important I have discussed here, which have been asked and are very important to be asked, like soil organic matter, soil animals. You should know them and you should have a good command over them. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, press the like button. Do share and subscribe. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.